You want to add a chat box overlay into OBS using Restream so your viewers can see live chat from Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, etc. all in one place. Here's how to add chat box to OBS using Restream. All you have to need, go to your browser and search for Restream chat, and you have to go to restream.io/chat page. In here, you get total 2 different options to use Restream chat. One is by downloading the chat on your computer, and another is the browser version. So we are going to open the Restream chat in browser. So here is my Restream chat. Now click on settings. In here, click on embed in stream. And here you get embed chat. Just click on copy. Then go back to your OBS Studio. In sources, click on this plus icon, select browser. Paste here your Restream chat embed code link, click on OK. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added my Restream chat to my OBS. Now go back to your Restream dashboard and click on channels, add channel. Now go ahead and connect accounts. From which accounts you want to get chat or messages to your OBS. You can connect YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, Cake. Once you successfully connected all of those accounts, you can just go ahead and start a live stream, and then all your live messages will appear on your OBS using this chat overlay.